While 1/3 of the world's population is affected by one or more than 3,000 skin diseases, there are more than 1 billion people who lack access to dermatological care, with many of those right here in our communities. As World Skin Health Day approaches, one skincare brand is working to help to increase access to care by enlisting dermatologists to volunteer at select local free and charitable clinics around the country. Now, our next guest is part of that movement, Dr. Dustin Portella, a board-certified dermatologist with millions of followers on social media, and he's joining us live from Idaho. Good morning. How are you, Doctor?
Good morning, James. Thank you for having me.
Well, thank you for joining us. Millions of followers. Wow. Are you sure you shouldn't be running for president?
Somebody needs to.
Yeah. Doctor, can you expand on the prevalence of skin diseases and the necessary care people aren't getting even here in our community?
Yeah, as you alluded to, James, over 1.8 billion people around the globe suffer from skin disease at any given time. And the skincare brand CeraVe did a study in the US that found that 80% of people had had a skin issue in the last month. 1 in 4 had had a more serious skin condition at some point in their life. But many people have difficulty accessing dermatology care due to the costs, due to long wait times for those appointments, or there's just not a dermatologist in a reasonable distance to their house. So, as dermatologists and skin specialists, we're coming together to help increase awareness and access to skincare with World Skin Health Day on July 8th, an initiative led annually by the ILDS and the ISD.
Now, tell us about the World Skin Health Day Initiative.
Yeah, so in addition to lacking skincare treatment, there's often a lack of awareness around skin issues. 85% of people don't feel comfortable identifying even serious skin conditions, or they might not be aware of how our skin health can interplay with our overall health, especially when it comes to autoimmune conditions or diabetes. So, dermatologists are coming together on World Skin Health Day to help raise awareness, education, and access to proper skin health. And this is also a partnership with the skincare brand CeraVe to work with the National Association of Free and Charitable Clinics, encouraging dermatologists to volunteer their time on July 8th to provide free skin cancer screening exams, education, and products to individuals in communities who might not have access to that otherwise.
Doctor, you believe in this cause. You have your own mobile clinic. Can you tell us about that and your mission?
Yeah, as a doctor, I've always wanted to provide care to the people who needed it the most. And when I was in medical school, I got to participate in a mobile clinic and provide care to individuals experiencing homelessness. And I knew that I wanted to make that a part of my practice. And over the last year, I purchased a motorhome, converted it into a mobile clinic, and I go out at least monthly to provide care at shelters, at uninsured clinics, and even rural areas who might not access care otherwise. And on July 8th, I'll be at my local NAFC clinic to provide full dermatology care to people in need.
Now, if we'd like to learn more, where can we get more information?
The best place for viewers to go is going to be the website CeraVeforWorldSkinHealth.com/myskinhealth, or they can follow CeraVe on social media at CeraVe to find out about events that are happening in their community.
Let's see if we can add to your social media. Now, where can we go to find you on social media?
Yeah, thank you, James. Everywhere on social media, I'm at Dr. Dustin Portella, Dr. Dustin Portella.
All right. Thank you for joining us on Morning Blend. We really appreciate it.
Thank you, James.